Hi everyone, my name is Barbara Rankin, and welcome to our Save the YouTuber video hop. This hop was put together by Justine Hovey in order to help out the many crafters that are affected by new YouTube rules that require a number of views and subscribers in order to earn money. Some of the biggest names in the industry, along with some very generous companies, have come together to help those of us in need and to bring you, the audience, some amazing new tutorials from artists you may have never seen before. The more videos you watch and comment on, the better your chances are to win one of over 120 prizes. From my channel, you can win a $25 gift certificate from Simon Says Stamp or 2 Catherine Pooler inks. And there will be several additional prizes from a variety of sponsors that will be randomly given out throughout the hop for leaving a comment. Now let's get started. I love making my own embellishments for cards and paper crafts, as well as for use in my mixed media projects. So I thought I would share how I make faux metal embellishments with rubber stamps and clay. For this video, I'm using Sculpey clay. It needs to be baked, but you can use air dry clay too. The process is the same without the need for an oven. You don't need a lot of tools for this either. If you don't have a clay roller, you can use a wooden dowel or the palm of your hand to flatten the clay. I've even used an acrylic stamping block to press the clay flat. Parchment or wax paper can be used for your work surface and helps the clay from sticking. Baby powder or cornstarch will also help your stamp and tools from sticking to the clay too. Let me put on a little music now, and I'll come back at the end to tell you more about the video hop and prizes. So let me show you how I use these two embellishments. I made two tags, choosing coordinating colors for each, and these can be used as Valentine's Day tag style cards, adding your sentiment to the back. These embellishments can be painted any color or colors you choose. You don't have to try to make them look like metal, but I sometimes like to play around with that idea. And instead of making tags, you could also do something similar on a card front, or even on a canvas or a scrapbook page. I have just a few more things to mention. First of all, I want to thank our sponsors. These companies have been extremely generous and have sponsored every video in the hop. There are multiple prizes to be won at each stop. The more videos you watch and the more YouTubers you save, the more chances you have to win. Winners will be chosen on February 26th, and a list of all winners will be posted, including information to claim your prize, at the link I have added in the description box below the video. March 10th will be the deadline to claim any prizes. When you finish watching my video, be sure to leave a comment, a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. Then scroll down to the description area below the video and click on the link to the next person on the list. Good luck to you all, and thanks for watching.